Hey everyone, welcome to this episode of Moonbats. Today we're going to clean out 40 years of cat urine soaked insulation out of this cab, and then we're going to place that seat that I got inside because I need to make space. Alright, we're going to open this up. The door didn't open, so I had to use a screwdriver, pry it open here. I think we're going to have to work on the door handle soon. So we're going to clean the inside of this truck out. It's gross. Alright, we emptied out the glove box and tossed everything in here. Here, hand me the camera, Xavier. Now I want to see this real quick. So right here is the original tag. See if you can see that. Mercury M47, gross vehicle weight 4,700 pounds. That's pretty cool. And the glove box is still intact, which is pretty miraculous considering it's all cardboard. I'll have to clean that out with like a vacuum or something. This is my first time being in here, so we're gonna kind of take a look here and see. Look at that. That's beauty. That's still like good. And this I thought was like some sort of closet, but I don't know. It's a heater. I didn't know that before. It's pretty neat. Like it opens up, and then this is for your feet down here, and then this is for passenger, driver. So that's pretty cool. I'll be able to pull this out and clean it up and probably repaint it because it's definitely going to need work. Alright, so let's see what we got. We got a whole lot of wire, which is not going to be useful. We got these guys, which are Canada Post change of address. If you want to change your address in Canada, you can do that for you. How about washing machine hose, some more window bracket stuff, window stuff, and Mr. Clean bottle that's been cut off. That's a pee bottle if I've ever seen one. I'm gonna save that one. Just some plastic. This is really like, this is gross.
Is that just like a fence?
Yeah, it's a piece of chain link fence. You know, normal stuff. I think he said, oh, it smells like cat pee.
I told you it smells in
God
here.
damn. That's terrible. Oh, God, it just won't stop smelling. Pull it down?
Yeah, point it
Okay,
down.
let's see. No, that's not going to come down any easier. That's just... Oh, that's gross. This is like... Here, come in here, please.
To the camera, it looks
Here.
like it's snowing.
This is like really good paint job that it's got. Now, at least the good news is that the original paint will come right off. But the interior, this is like quality stuff here. This might be, look at that, it's saved. Oh wow, I can just pop it back up, put a little screw in there. That puppy's good as new. That's awesome. This is the original headliner. This is, yeah, still look good. What is that thing?
Murder weapon.
Yeah, this is... Oh, I should probably wear a mask doing this. It's too bad we don't have any close by. What is all this stuff? What is this thing? Oh, cool. A little light. That's...
We found the Pixar lamp's dead body.
Yeah.
Ah!
It's good. Oh, God, this is going to have to go with the fishing line.
Hang on that
What's
lump
this?
of brownish fluid.
Oh, yeah, that's good. This is like...
Jeans?
I don't know what this is. It's like, can you see the texture on it? Oh. Oh God, don't come in here. Oh, this is gross.
We need to get drinks somewhere.
Yeah, we gotta drink and force all this gross shit into our lungs. Force it down. Oh my God, this is gross. This is definitely not healthy. The guy, he said that He put up chain link fence to keep the cats from climbing in here. I think they just made beds instead. Why would you put insulation in here? It's like to keep it warm? I don't really understand why it's in here. Okay, this metal. The good news is look at that gas tank. It's like, it's solid, which is really like great because I don't want to buy another one. Oh God, this is gross. I'm throwing the piss jug away. I'll get my own piss jug. Oh.
Dance with fresh air.
Yeah, do it. It looks like it looks like this is really the worst part of it for the floor. So that's not too bad. Just one quick panel right there to patch that in. Maybe fix up that section there too, just to double it up a bit, and we're good. But this is like pretty solid. Well, we'll see. We'll see over here too. Might not be so bad. Anyways, I'm gonna sweep all this out. All right, so there's the interior. The light, the dome light's still in here. This is the like original headliner and stuff like that. It's actually not too bad. It's missing a piece right here that's broken off, and it looks like someone punched a hole right there at some point. But it really is like pretty damn clean considering. All right, this is all going to be interesting. Any of these things do. All right, let's see how many miles there are. 68378. That's how many miles there are on this guy. So let me see. Here, let me bring it in.
6-8.
Let's see. 68378. Check this out. Original glass is still here. It's probably going to need to be cleaned, but it looks like it's usable, which is great. It's definitely, this is at least usable. So I'm going to not get crazy here and go nuts with it, but I'm going to have to replace these inside. All the like rubbers in here are going to need to be replaced. This glass is, something's possible with it. So this seat is pretty rare. It's an original 1948 to 50. I think it was a 3-year window for these seats. And some guy had it just sitting in a corner somewhere. So I picked it up. I think this is actually flipped around and this is going on. But we're going to, eventually I'm going to have to recover this. I'm not going to ride it like this. I don't want that poking me in the back. And it looks like, you know, there's a couple springs that are just like loose here. I think I can probably fix these up. You just tighten them up a little bit, retighten them so that way they don't break through. And that'll be a whole other video in the future. But this seat has to go in the cab. So let's do it. We got this guy. Alright. Let's just, oh boy. Oh man, there's not very much room as you can see. It's like really hard just to do things in this place. So let's just put this right there. Alright. This guy just alright. Bring this guy around here. Now, man, this is like really not easy. This guy in here. All right, here we go. That's looking through the driver's side, passenger side door here. So, open it up the door, and there's the truck. Maybe I'll come on the outside here actually and see. All right, here's the truck. Door open. I'm pretty stoked about this. This is like a big deal for me. There it is. See, I like that it doesn't have headrests. There's no seat belts or anything. It's just, there's your seat. You just sit on it. And there you go. Okay, so this is the truck. My arm in the back. Alright, this is going to be it right here. I can get down with that. Not too bad. Alright. So, thanks for watching this episode of Moonbats. Cleaned out the truck, put in the seat. Pretty quick and easy one. Let's see what's next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Just the horn's obviously not going to work.